Mathematics, the universal language of science, has a rich history spanning civilizations. Among its most remarkable chapters is the story of Islamic mathematics, a period when scholars in the Muslim world transformed mathematical thought, bridging ancient knowledge with modern discoveries. From the bustling streets of Baghdad to the libraries of Cordoba, a golden age of numbers and logic flourished. Islamic mathematics did not emerge in isolation. It was built upon the knowledge of earlier civilizations, the Greeks, Indians, and Persians. Scholars in the Muslim world studied and translated these texts, especially the works of Euclid, Pythagoras, and Indian mathematicians, preserving them for future generations. This blending of knowledge created a fertile ground for innovation. One of the most influential figures of Islamic mathematics was Al-Khwarizmi, who lived in the 9th century in Baghdad. Known as the father of algebra, he wrote Kitab al-Mukhtasar fi Hisab al-Jabr wal-Muqabala, introducing systematic methods to solve linear and quadratic equations. The term algebra itself comes from al-Jabr, one of the techniques he described, forever leaving a mark on mathematical language. Another remarkable contribution was the introduction of the Hindu-Arabic numeral system. While numerals were used in India, Islamic scholars refined and popularized them across the Muslim world and later Europe. This system, with the concept of zero, revolutionized calculation, commerce, and astronomy, replacing the cumbersome Roman numerals and laying the foundation for modern arithmetic. Islamic scholars advanced geometry and trigonometry to new heights. Mathematicians like Omar Khayyam explored the solutions of cubic equations geometrically, while others developed trigonometric tables crucial for astronomy and navigation. These advancements were essential for Islamic architecture, from the intricate designs of mosques to the construction of domes and minarets, demonstrating mathematics as an art form as well as a science. Beyond theory, Islamic mathematicians designed instruments to apply mathematics practically. Devices like the astrolabe and quadrant were used to calculate prayer times, the direction of Mecca, and celestial positions. These tools reflect the blend of mathematics, astronomy, and daily life, showing how deeply mathematics was embedded in culture and spirituality. The contributions of Islamic mathematicians did not end with the Golden Age. Their works were translated into Latin and influenced European scholars during the Renaissance. Figures like Fibonacci were inspired by these texts, bringing Arabic numerals and algebra to Europe, shaping the mathematical foundations we rely on today. Today, the echoes of Islamic mathematics are everywhere, from the algorithms powering our computers to the geometrical designs in modern architecture. The innovations of scholars like Al-Khwarizmi, Omar Khayyam, and many others remind us that knowledge transcends borders, languages, and centuries. Islamic mathematics was not just a chapter in history, it was a bridge between ancient wisdom and modern science. Its story is a testament to human curiosity, creativity, and the timeless pursuit of knowledge.